Hello everyone, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're doing well. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. For those of you that have been here before and have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. For those of you that maybe this is your first time here or you're returning but you haven't subscribed, I would love and appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. So today I'm going to show you guys a new piece from Coach. Yes, I am jumping on this August 5th drop bandwagon with you guys. So beautiful, gorgeous pieces. And I kind of knew I had to get this piece. So I'm going to show you that today. But before I do, I'm going to show you my handbag of the day. So this is my handbag of the day. I have been hanging around with this little monster right here. I'm obsessed with him and I love him. And Patrick gifted this to me, I believe, for my birthday a couple of years ago. Or maybe last year, I don't remember. Maybe last year, I think. And obsessed with him. And so he's been hanging out with me. He's got a front pocket there and then another zipper pocket back here. And I love this hardware right here that Fendi does on some of the bags. It's like really thick piece of metal. I just love it. So what I put on this bag is this Rexy right here. This is the black on black Rexy with the mohawk, and I love her, and I usually put these two baddies together. So most of the time I've been carrying her by the top handle. Usually what I do is that I grab the crossbody strap and I just kind of hold it like this. I did wear her a couple of times on the shoulder using the long strap, and I have not used her crossbody. I don't know what's happened to me, but I always used to use all my bags crossbody, and lately I haven't been doing that. So what we're gonna do is, oh, by the way, I do have handbag heels on this bag, and this is the matte black on black, and this is a great product. It works great. This is from Alisa, that's her creation, and I will link her website down below. So I'm gonna take the items that I have here and we are gonna switch, because I decided to wear this outfit. It's just kind of beachy and stuff. It's like a very long dress made out of like this linen fabric. It's gorgeous. And I was at the beach last week. I went on vacation and I was just vegetating at the beach, and we loved it. And so I'm like, I got a little bit of a tan, so I'm like peeling on my chest. So that's why I'm wearing this big old necklace, but I love it. It's such a pretty necklace. Got the matching earrings. But anyways, so let me show you what bag we're going to be switching into from this one. I have decided, because of this outfit that I'm wearing, that I'm going to switch to this bag right here. This is the Candy Rainbow suede tabby. This bag is such a happy bag. She is gorgeous and I'm obsessed with her. So we are going to switch my things that I have in the Fendi Monster to this one. As you guys know, are probably familiar with this bag. She did come with this heart charm and her regular tag. I think I'm probably gonna wear her shoulder, so we're just gonna use this today and we're gonna put this aside. I did keep the dust bag inside, so we're just gonna put that to the side for now. She does come with a chain, but I have it, I'm either using it on another bag or I have it put away back here somewhere. So depending on how we accessorize her, I might use a chain that it comes with, I might not. So let's get into it. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the shoulder strap on her. And as you guys probably know, when Coach started releasing the soft tabbies, they decided to make the strap longer, which is awesome. Great job, Coach. So I'm gonna start taking things out of here. The first thing that I have that's kind of like one of the biggest items is this Hello Kitty pouch right here, and I have all kinds of things in it. Makeup, I have a flat Chanel mirror, I have a lip liner, lip gloss, pencil sharpener, stuff like that, and a hand sanitizer. So I'm gonna put it in the back right here. So I'm using this for a wallet, my New York zip card case, and I have this little pouch that you guys know about. I have my AirPods. This is all in the front pocket, by the way. I have the wallet that I just showed you, and I have this LV pouch. I was putting my phone in this back pocket here, but I'm obviously using it now to make this video. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna take this and put it right here, and I'm gonna take this little thing and put it right here. I don't know if that's gonna go, but that's how I'm gonna put it in there right now. Actually, no, it's gotta be there. I might not be able to use that actually. My wallet, oh, look how that matches. I remember that's why I got this wallet for. There was a video where I got this wallet and then I lost it and then I found it. So I had two. I went and I bought another one and then I found the one that I thought I had lost and I ended up gifting that to you guys. I think during the 1500, when I got 1500 subs, I did a giveaway and I ended up gifting away a brand new one of those wallets. So I don't know, guys. I don't know how this is gonna work. It doesn't look very pretty right now. So what I need to do is that I need to take this out. And really the only thing in here that I need is my nasal stick, my boom boom. So probably what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it out. And I'm gonna put her in a corner here somewhere. So there it is. So I have this lip gloss here, but we don't need this lip gloss from Dior because I have another one in the Hello Kitty thing. And really what I need from here is my little perfume. This is like the one that you got the little see-through and you just kind of dab it. And it's just so delicious. And I love to have this. And you can change the cases. This is the blue one that's supposed to be like denim color. So, and it says Dior all throughout. So what I'm gonna do with this, because I do like to have this, is I'm just gonna shove it in here. So I put it right there, if y'all can see. And this I'm gonna put next to my AirPods. And that's it. We're gonna close this up. Because of all the beading, this bag does not have a zipper in the back, on the back. And this buckle, I can't talk about it. I just can't talk about it. It's gorgeous. Okay, let's accessorize her. Here is the chain that came with this bag. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. We have the candy charm. And I have this piece right here from Alisa's website. These were from last year, I think, or earlier this year. I don't know if she has these in her website right now, but she is pretty good about bringing stuff back. Like I said, I'll link it down below if I can find it. So I put these two over here. So they're gonna live right there. And this chain, I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try it. If I was to use the chain, that's what it will look like. So I don't know, I might leave it on. I kind of like the way it hangs. Yeah, and then we have these right here. This is a beautiful bag. This is a very special bag. And I got this from my essay when it got released. And yeah, so there she is. And that's what we're using today. Okay, so for the reveal, let me show you what I got. So this item I got from Dillard's because as you guys know, they have not released yet in Coach. And it came in this box right here. Just a regular shipping box. And I did open it to like make sure that everything was good with it, but it just came packaged like that. It came packaged like this. What I found interesting, I've never seen this before. This is the first time for me. If you guys have seen this from Dillard's, let me know. It came packaged in this bubble wrap, and it has a little note that it basically says thank you. And it says the name of the person that packaged this item. And it basically says, your order was proudly packaged by Takeda and shipped from Dillard's, number 167 in Spartanburg, South Carolina. If your experience was anything less than exceptional, please contact me directly. My email is so-and-so. Marshall McCravey is the store manager. So have you guys gotten any of this? Like, I have not gotten anything from Dillard's, nothing like a handbag or anything like that in a little while. So I don't know if they just started doing this or this has always been happening. But that's kind of cool, you know, that they're taking like time to make sure everything is nice and tidy. So there was that wrap and there is this wrap. So let's see what we got. Yes, guys. I know. There's too many of these, but you know what? Whatever. We got the Love Leather tabby, soft tabby, and this beautiful finishing. Okay, guys, when I saw the pictures of these Love Leather pieces that were gonna be released, I kind of lost my shit, and I was really gravitating towards the Kiss Lock 27. But then when I saw close-up pictures of it, I was like, I don't know. I don't like how this finishing burnished Love Leather situation here turned out on the Kiss Locks. That is just my personal opinion. Maybe in person they look completely different, but I almost got the Kiss Lock 27 is what I'm trying to get to, but instead I decided on this beauty right here. She is everything. Oh my gosh, with this leather. Why? Here she is with her price tag and her, straps attached to with the little plastic thingies. She's got her zipper on the back. And she's got the fabric that we're used to in the back. And look at this beautiful burnishing. Look at this. I mean, I think the areas where this got done on the tabbies is exceptional. I can't talk about it. Here is the bag with all this stuffing inside. The dust bag is this new material that we've been getting that is kind of like a cotton. Yeah, and the whatchamacallit, the creed is embossed into the leather, which we've been seeing with these soft tabbies. Oh my gosh, I can't. For those of you guys that do have this bag already, the smell, talk to me about the smell, is delicious. I just wanna lick it off. Look at this beautiful thing. Look at this right here, how it just blends in. And this is the tabby 26, by the way. I have tried the 36 size in the suede ones, the ones that came out recently with the colors. You guys know I got the Citron in the 26. So I did try one of those at the store. The 36 is just a little bit too big for my frame, and I'm like really sure. So I don't know. I think it makes a gorgeous clutch. Gorgeous. But I have not jumped into the 36 tabby bandwagon yet. So guys, what pieces from this collection are you guys getting? I feel like this finishing here, it's just chef kiss. I have seen some videos where I think it's the Chelsea. I don't have any Chelseas. I don't know why I haven't jumped in that bandwagon yet. I don't have any, but I have seen a video or two where it seems like the Chelsea seems to have some like 3 little circles right here. I don't know why they would do that, but it kind of threw me off a little bit. I have seen at least 2 and they were both the same. So I don't know if that's going to be like the signature burnishing Love Leather part to that bag. I don't know. We don't usually see the bag because we carry our bags like this, right? So I guess, but again, I have not jumped in the Chelsea bandwagon, so I don't know that I will be getting one just yet. But anyways, when I saw this piece out of all of them, I think the Empire 34 on this finishing, it's amazing. I don't have any Empire 34s for some reason, because what I tell you guys always, I don't do red. Yeah, how did that turn out? I don't do East West, says the girl that has the Kiss Lock 30, which is East West. I can't show you right now because she's up there. Anyways, but you know what, guys? She kind of goes with my outfit. Oh, maybe I need to get into this one. What do you guys think? This or this? this weekend. Anyways, that is what I wanted to show you guys. These pieces right here. This is beautiful. Let me know which pieces from the new Love Leather collection have you guys gotten, or you guys thinking about getting. Yes, they are gorgeous. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please give me a like, hype, share, leave a comment below. Don't forget to ring the bell so that you don't miss any new and upcoming videos. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.